Great place, enjoying at this place with my friend. Great facilities, can cook especially. Exceptional good, I like. Atlantis Residences by iHousing. The place was nice and clean with 3 rooms and beds. No complaint on the facilities overall, but just ensure the appliances are all in good working condition before handover the place. Do also ensure timely check-in, as we get to checked in quite late. Good that iHousing was also flexible in extending the checkout time. Overall, it is still a recommended place to stay, good facilities, clean and good location. Superb stay, we enjoyed our stay here. Clean and spacious unit. Highly recommended. 3-night stay room is big, clean and easy accessible. Penj ina pan yang te rabike. Salesa di tambadangan kayadan rumah yang kukupi bersih pengaruh yang mutadan mesra kalam untuk rumah penduduk yang sangat cantik, besar dan sesuai untuk semua golongan. Exceptional, very friendly, I love to stay here. Exceptional, excellent condition, and the house is good for family and group members. Comfortable sangat salesa, bersih, perawat and semulangkap. TMPT parking pun senang. Team management pun mudah berurusan. Terima kasih. Superb. My parents love to stay here. It's so comfy, spacious and furnished with all the necessities. With the amount paid, it's totally worth it. 2 parking lots available for the unit 2, which makes it so convenient. The location is so strategic and a lot of convenience stores nearby. Exceptional, best apartments for family. Nice, just nice. Good, very good. Excellent. Airbnb responded very quickly, and was very accommodating to our needs/requests. Check-in instructions were super detailed and helpful. The apartment was very clean and well stocked. A wonderful place in the best location, we would stay here again easily.